Hey guys, don't know if this is recording yet, but it's Taylor, and I think it is. This is just going to be a quick vlog with my camera about my dog. Big beast right here. Everyone say hi. Oh, he's actually being calm right now. He just recently went through surgery to remove some rope out of his stomach. So he hasn't been the happiest dog, unfortunately. As you can see, our table's a mess. Unfortunately, it's got all of his pills and stuff like that on it. He licks his food bowl clean. I'll zoom in on that. And yeah. So this is the dog that I've been talking about. Figured I would include him on a video today. Downside to this camera, it doesn't shoot 1080p. So this video will be in 720p. As you can see, looks like I'm still in my pajamas. Decided to take a couple naps this morning. I was super tired. So, yeah guys. I don't even really know what to talk about. I mean, I can go over to my computer and show you guys that, I guess. Everything I used to video edit. Be a good boy. Be a good boy. So, computer itself, screen, Google Home, water bottles, and all that good stuff. Let's see how I actually edit the videos. We'll open up After Effects. Sorry guys, 1 second. We got After Effects right here. I use this GoPro right here. I'm trying to upgrade to a new one. And actually keep using this one and stuff like that. But we've got After Effects here. And then, oh, whoops, apparently it opened on this side. Drag that over to the big screen. And yeah, this is how I do all my stuff. You've got comp. I always do a new composition, and however long I think the video is going to be, I just roughly go over there. I don't think that's really focusing. There we go. My dog's still barking, but I'll normally do it off of that. I do half resolution so that I can just watch it, but then when I render it out, it's full 1080, 60 FPS. Going to remove this. Remove that because I never use character on that, but it's got all the effects presets, preview, RAM preview anyway. And yeah guys, that's basically how I do all my videos. Not much to it honestly, it just minor edits here and there, stuff like that. Got this super high powered laser for our dog, laser 301. And he's still barking to go outside. I don't think he knows he's on camera. But if he does, well, good for him. But yeah guys, so that's basically how I edit all my videos and stuff like that. I throw them all together in After Effects. I record them with my GoPro. I'm trying to get a white edition of the Hero 7, I think. Yeah, 7. So I'm trying to do that, and then we'll pretty much go from there and maybe get a mount for my camera itself so that I can mount that in certain areas and stuff. And yeah guys, just pretty much go from there. This isn't obviously going to be the longest video. We'll throw something else in after. Maybe I'll mix it up with one of my GoPro footages. You guys will just have to see when the video comes out. Anyway guys, peace. Hey guys, it's Taylor. I know you guys just saw a little bit with my dog and everything and how he's doing. I just actually got off of work, and so I'm doing kind of a night drive video, I guess you could say. I haven't really done this because I didn't know how the quality was going to be, or how the video was really going to look. But I'm on the highway right now, just saying what's up. Had some plans today. Looks like I don't know if they're going to happen or not, so I'm just going to end up, heading home and stuff like that. But But I hope you guys have a safe day and everything like that. Have a safe night. Sorry I haven't been as active with uploading. Might edit this and render it all together tonight. I don't know. Maybe tomorrow morning. Work was not busy, but busy at the same time. Just a day in the life of Taylor, I guess. It's weird because I got in trouble because I couldn't finish all the open boxes, but no one else was there, so I was kind of trying to multitask and do everything all at once, and it just didn't get finished, and I don't know what they want me to do. I was off at 9, I'm sorry, I'm leaving at 9, my dog's sick at home, like, I want to, you know, go take care of him, but like I said, I had plans, so I mean, that was, you know, not the whole truth, but I assumed after no one replied to me that my plans were canceled. So yeah, I'm going home to my dog. So it was more true than not, you know. My manager wasn't too happy about that. Oh, there's a car coming up on me. I'll get over for you. My bad, going too slow for him. I'm doing 78. Apparently that's too slow for him. But okay. We'll see if the other car is as nice as I was letting him over. Utah drivers are freaking aggressive. My girlfriend was telling me about what happened today and how this person, her lane ended and she needed to get over, and this person was not going to let her, so she got in the other lane and he ended up blocking her, which is BS. And Utah drivers just suck in general. So yeah, like I said in my last video, new intake, that'll be fun. I'm excited to hear what the turbo sounds like with the discharge pipe and the intake on. I really just want turbo noises out of this. I want to do a catback when I have the funds available in time. See what happens there. Super Bowl is coming up soon. I think it's in like a week and a half. No, 2 weeks. A week from this Sunday or something like that. We've got a Defiance meet that I'm going to be doing a video for. See how many people we can get out there. It'll be really cool if, you know, we can get a good turnout. I think there's a Cars and Coffee that day, so I don't know really how that's going to go. I think that's from like 11 to 1, and then 1 to 5 is the Defiance meet that myself and my co-head Lyndon are putting on. So that'll be pretty cool. But yeah, guys, hope you have a good night. Hope you have a good day as well, depending on when you're seeing this. Obviously, this isn't going to be going up probably till tomorrow morning-ish. I don't know yet. Yeah, guys, just be safe out there. And yeah, we had a major snowstorm Monday. I talked about that in my last video, where I couldn't really upload that, which I really wish I would have been able to. But my GoPro was acting weird, and hopefully it's working now. So we'll see what happens. The only reason I did is because I was removing videos that I didn't need, like doubles of and stuff like that. And then after that, it just was like, no, can't read this. So yeah, we'll see what happens with it. Anyway, guys, hope you have a good day. Peace.
Hold up.